This is when the snakes come out in Australia. During this hot weather, it's here to wrestle a snake. Alright. In the Australian river filled with crocodile. Oh yeah, something is on. Guys, look at this. As I'm here, I see a snake. Can you guys see that?
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, damn beautiful people. So, today guys, I'll be doing something totally different. This is my first time we'll be doing this here in Australia. If you're new to the channel, I'm a Jamaican living in Australia. Alright, so what I'll be doing today is I'll be fishing at a river. Yes, in all the vlogs you have seen from me in Australia fishing, it's always fishing by the ocean. But this time around, I'll be fishing by the river, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I've always wanted to do it, and they say that the best times to do it is like in spring or in summer. In winter, not really that great for fishing. So, I heard that there's fish like bass and some other names I can't even remember, like carcass or something like that. So, I'll be testing out this water here today, and I'm at a nice location which my wife introduced me to like when I just came to Australia. And yeah, I go to work and I hear some of my workmates, they be catching some nice fish at the river. So I'm curious and I've been wanting to do this. I used to fish in the river when I was back home in Jamaica when I was younger, you know what I mean? So, but one thing about me, I do not like river fish, but I'll do it for fun, or maybe, who knows, I might get convinced. So we're gonna try it out. And before we do that, let's check out this clip of me getting the bait, which is earthworms. Yeah, some of you guys might be grossed out about that, but yeah, look at earlier this morning, and then we're gonna get straight back to here in the present. All right, let's go now. We're gonna roll. What I'll be putting the worms in is my baby feeding empty pan. What I've been doing this morning is weeding out this area and throw some dirt around the cane root and all that. And yeah, worm just been popping out, and there's one sitting here at the moment too. Oh, it's already making its way down. It's a big one. Look at that, fat. I know this might gross out a lot of people, but this is normal. Like, I used to be digging these, catching mudfish, sand digger, mullet, all type of thing, you name it. You know what I mean? Growing up in the country, these are the things you enjoy as a kid, like just doing these little things with your friends or even by yourself, you know. So yeah, this is the pan you'll be going in. Worm, and normally what I do is put some dirt in it as well. So, but trust me, worm is a great bait, so we're gonna be digging some. You don't really have to dig too deep down. You even see one here popped up. Yeah. This silist. Find a lot of worm here. Look at that. Think of this. Turn that one apart. You go in. Mainly want to find like the bigger ones though. There's another one. One of that on your hook. It should work like magic. It's a nice fat one here. In some part you find worm better than some, like when it's a wet environment you find them more than when it's dry. They like when the soil is a bit wet or moist. Another one. Nice one. These are the ones I wish I could find all the time. These ones are nice. Perfect. Alright, so I think I'll take this one. River vibes, you know? At the road. Off the asphalt now onto the dirt road. It gets rough. I just put some air in the tires, so the bike is like really rough over the stones. Oh, This is where the boat ramp is, where all the boats go down. Environmental work in this area. So maybe I can't even walk through there. So what I'll do is park the bike right here. My helmet there. And see if I can find a spot. Alright. This is the boat ramp. Time to unload what's in my backpack. Yeah. So this is where I have the beautiful earthworms right in here. I'll be using those for bait. I also brought myself a piece of cane from home that I plant. Yeah, you don't know. I'm not far from home, so I don't really need nothing, see me? Yeah. And just my little gears, and I brought the drone as well, maybe I might fly it. Yeah. Yeah man, so what else do we have here? Brought my hat for the sun. Tackle box. I just brought some stuff from home that I think I'll need. And so what I have in here is some hooks and sinker. I have some hooks and sinker and a little lure. Still haven't got any luck on lure fishing yet, so I'm not gonna put my hopes into that. So yeah, that's what's up. So I'll get ready right about now, not wasting any time. Yeah boy. Hey listen, let me tell you something. You see if there's fish down there to be catch? These worm gonna work like magic. Worm is one of the best bait for fishing. But I haven't done this in years. Like literally putting on a worm on a hook is like years ago. Right, till them all bust off. If I ever get any action here today, trust me, I'll be coming back here very often. Because I actually love the spot. It's very peaceful, very quiet, you know? Yeah. So let me say most time, throw your rod against the edges. Throw the rod against all the little edges, and a lot of the bass fish, they're here. So I'm gonna try it out. Alright, first cast in the Australian river filled with crocodile. Plenty of crocodiles in here to eat. I'm just joking. See a lot of bubbles coming up. I don't know what's that from. Let him sink. Put on the lightest sinker ever. Alright, so what I did was put on a heavier weights, and I'm gonna try if I can push it to go over there in the shade and see what I can do. Hopefully I don't fall down here either. Alright, so my line been down there for quite a while. So just gonna be checking if my bait even touch or if it's just the same. It's actually quite deep. Hold on. Oh no. My bait is just the same. I would really actually love to see a sign of fish should check this out, my people. This is actually a good sign. Worm missing, that's actually a real good sign. That's the sign I wanted all along. As you can see, the shade is now coming over. So with this long day, it doesn't get dark until like maybe like 8 o'clock. All right, so time to get some sugar in my system. Here I have some company. Well, like a fisherman launching his boat, or maybe it's just a sport boat, I'm not sure. He's going out fishing. So you can see it's a big river for them to launch a boat in it. Tony up. Yeah, my people. I'm thinking of getting a kayak at some point and sailing through this. Would be mad. The only thing about the water that I really don't like is that you cannot see. It's always dark, you know what I mean? Like if it was Jamaican River, so crystal clear you can see everything. This, no matter how shallow it is, you just won't be able to see the flooring. All right, guys, I think I just got my first bite. I saw the line move, and I know my eyes not fooling me. It's between these branches, though. I want to get it out of this branch. Don't know if there's anything on still, but please tell me it's still there. Whatever, just move my line. I think something is on, guys, but I do not think it's a fish. Oh yes, something is on, but I have a strong feeling this is either a turtle or a heel. From the last time I came to the river and caught the turtle and the heel, that's how it fight, like lazy. No way, this is a fish, come on. There's a tree here, I don't want it to get stuck in between. Show your face. Please don't be a turtle or a heel. Let's get in between the trees. What is this? Oh, I knew it. It's a heel. I knew it was gonna be a heel. Look at that. It's actually a big one. Oh my God. Oh, come here. It's getting tied up down there. Oh no. Got tied up around a stick. Ah. Come on, come on. Oh shoot. Now it's fully stuck. Like it go under a ledge, some kind of banking area. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna get that. It's not what I came here for, but if I could have at least get back my hook. Take off my slippers, I have more grip with my feet. Oh, it's fully stuck. Yeah, I'm not getting no length from it. Oh, there we go. It pop. Anyway, it's not what I was targeting, but I got another heel like the last time. So what I might do right about now different is gonna try a lure, even though as I said I have no luck with lure, but That's something I also want to accomplish, is to catch a fish on a lure. Like, that would be an accomplishment. Because these false bait thing just doesn't work for me. And I want to break that cycle. So we're just gonna try a little lure. So I can go on. Alright, so I'm gonna try it out. See, they use these type of little lures in the rivers and creeks. Oh, it actually flows really good. These little things flow really good, man. Maybe I can have a chance on it. Now, wouldn't I make history if I catch a fish on a lure? And this is a rope right here, so you can tell people definitely swing from here as well. Guys, look at this. As I'm here, I see a snake. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Oh my god. I don't know what kind of snake that is. Take a look at that. Oh my god. Yo, that simply mean you would even want to be swimming in this river. I don't even know if that's venomous. Me rotted. No, so that give me the creeps. And every time I see a snake, like, literally my body just get cool, like shiver. Oh my god, the snake can swim like a fish. No, sir. It's not normal. Oh my god. My heart races when I see these things, guys, trust me. As I said in previous videos, like, this is when the snakes come out in Australia. During this hot weather, this warm heat, they be coming out right now. Them love the sun. So you go anywhere, you have to keep an eye out. And look at them wearing, so imagine, you know what I mean? I'm out here to wrestle a snake. Oh my, watch it. Oh my god, me hear things are shuffling in a bush, me get scared, you know. Don't know if a lizard or a snake. Good fire. I'm just looking near and far. You know when you want to explore, but you're so scared. If I was in Jamaica, this would never be happening. Not worry about snake. Here's something shuffle down there. So the boats sail here, go all the way, I think all the way to Ballina, the river extend to, which is like a hour drive. I don't know, maybe it even extend further than this. It's just what I know, I can speak of. Well, I'm waiting for this rod to go off, you know, or even to get some bite. I would love some action. The location is beautiful though. I'm just like amazed. There's some big lizard here, my people. If only you could see the size of them. Oh, this is a dry log. We don't want to step on that. Just gonna try cast through here. If I do get a fish on a lure though, this would actually make my day. And if I can scribble through here. Alright, so we'll go through this little hole here, which look creepy, because I don't want anything jump out for me, but the spot around here looks good. Just gonna try it. Alright, we made it through. Wow, it's a better view of the river here. Wow. Take a look at them, people. Nice view around this corner as well. Man, lots of logs. Just washed up, seem from heavy rainfall. Out there. Kidding me? Think I just knocked my line up. Don't want them stick a break with me, you know. Alright, that's it for lure. Gonna go back to my regular worm. That's where my luck is. Alright, my people, so I'm leaving here now. As you all see, only caught that heel, but it was a great experience trying out the river for the first time. I actually enjoyed it. So, I will catch you all in the next video. Ensure to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment, tell me what you think. Alright. See you all in the next one. If you all want to stay around to enjoy the bike ride, please do so as I get out of here. I forgot to put on my helmet. Just wait until I reach up here. Alright, here we go home. Home time. Let's go home, my people. I really enjoyed today, I'm not lie. Very peaceful, tranquil, you know. But I'm still gonna work on accomplishing catching a fish out of this river. I've caught, this is now my third heel I've caught in this river, and one freshwater turtle. But need more than that. We'll actually find the fish them, you know. So hopefully next time we'll do that. Beautiful, the sun is going down.